Hello everyone, let's learn about colors. Blue color, pink color, black color, red color, green color, brown color, orange color, yellow color and sky blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cup. D for dot. E for elephant. F for face. G for giraffe. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for x-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's learn about shape. Heart shape. Star. Circle. Square. Pentagon. Oval. Heart shape. Star. Circle. Square. Pentagon. Oval.